Today I'm gonna teach you how to chant Tadin Khamsung Selnga Kitchen Nga Wesra Ingle Maya Kya Sunjo Desi Namtuk Pa Nacho Tube Kurtempe Tacho Pala Chacha Lo Ri Beja Kodaya Griya Hulu Hulu Home Pet 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 Ri Beja Kodaya Griya Hulu Hulu Home Pet. After chanting this mantra, you should pray Ngwa Malam Gewa Di Dowa Kun Keje Jokchen Lamsang La Tene Chedir Wangchen Ki Gopha Mundo Gyurvarasyo. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.